Today I'm making a very tasty, unique and easy egg recipe, egg Malai Masala. So please do try this recipe and I hope you really enjoy it. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make egg Malai Masala, we need 8 boiled eggs and I have cut the eggs into halves this way. So now we will go ahead and start making our gravy. First we're going to fry the onions and the ginger garlic and make that into a smooth paste. For that, here I have 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 large onion 200 grams roughly chopped, 1 inch of ginger roughly chopped and 6 to 7 garlic cloves roughly chopped. Also 2 to 3 green chilies. You can adjust based on your spice level. If you prefer, you can directly make a paste of the onions, garlic, ginger and green chilies without frying them. However, frying these for a little bit gives an enhanced flavor. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the onions. The oil is now hot, so I will add the onions and we will fry the onions for 4 to 5 minutes till they become soft or translucent. The onions have now turned soft, so we will add the chopped ginger and the chopped garlic and also add the green chilies, and we will fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's been another 3 minutes. Now we will turn off the oven and let this cool down for a little bit and then make it into a smooth paste. These are all the ingredients that we need to make the rest of our egg Malai Masala. 2 tablespoons of oil, the onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies paste, all our dry powdered spices, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoons roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1.5 cups or 300 ml of milk, some salt as per taste and coriander leaves. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the onion, ginger, garlic paste. Now we will add the onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies paste, and make sure you lower the flame before you add that because otherwise this splutters a lot. And now we will fry this at a medium-low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we will add our dry powdered spices, the turmeric powder, black pepper powder, roasted cumin powder, garam masala powder and the coriander powder, and now we will mix this well and fry this for another 2 minutes at a medium-low flame. Now we will add the milk and mix everything well, and then we will cover this with a lid and bring this to a boil. So the milk has come to a boil. Now we will add some salt as per taste and also add a bunch of coriander leaves. You can leave some at the end for more garnishing, and then mix this well together. And now we will start adding our egg halves in the curry. So go ahead and add all of these. So I have added all the eggs to the curry. Now we will cover this back with a lid and cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. So our egg Malai Masala is now ready to serve. This is a really easy, tasty egg recipe, great to enjoy with roti, naan, paratha or a bowl of rice. At the end, I will also garnish with some more coriander leaves. Please do try this recipe and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching my channel.